Hi, James Clements from Project Plan Online. Today we're going to concentrate on project teams. I'm going to give you some tips on building the project team. I'm also going to look at delegating authority within a project team, and then I'm going to explore the term management by walking around. So building teams. The two keys that I always work towards in building a team are play to your strengths and backfill around your weaknesses, and secondly, strategy drives structure. So don't fall into the trap of if you've got an engineering department and a fabrication department and this department and that department that you think you've got to reflect that in your project team. The key is that if you've got a strategy to offshore something as part of your work breakdown structure and as part of your project execution strategy, you should probably have an offshore fabrication or an offshore implementation manager. So strategy drives structure. If you've got primary deliverables, you want someone responsible for that primary deliverable, and you should structure your project team around it. Secondly, building a team around your weaknesses. I've worked in lots of projects where I haven't been 100% across the technology. So the first thing I do is I go and try a very good engineering or technology expert to put in alongside me. Once you start to build the team up, you should look at where you're weak in skills and in experience and so forth, and build around that. So you're not only trying to fill roles, but you're trying to fill experience and strengths and weaknesses. So the key to delegating authority is that the person that you're delegating to must have absolute control over the outcome of the deliverable. If you give someone a task to do, but there's another department that's delivering part of the product and he has no control over that, it's going to be very difficult for him to take ownership of it. If he can't take ownership of it, then whatever you delegate to him, he's going to find an excuse why that wasn't done at the end of the day. So the key to delegating authority is to make sure the person you delegate to has full cost, schedule, quality and scope control over that deliverable. So what does the term management by walking around mean? We can have all of these dashboards, we can have all of these reports and all the data we want, but the context of those reports and data is what really matters. So management by walking around means that you're getting out of your office, you're going around, you're working the project team, you're talking about why things are occurring, why things aren't occurring. You walk around. If you're building a building, get out onto that building site and have a look around. Talk to the guy that's doing the concreting, talk to the guy that's on the gate. What are the problems? What's he seeing every day? You'll learn so much by getting out and walking around and understanding what actually is happening down on the shop floor, what's happening in the design office, what are the constraints, what are the problems they're having. You'll learn so much more, and it'll mean those data reports and dashboards will be so much more meaningful, and you'll be able to write a very good report against them, and you'll just know exactly what's going on.